Once upon a time in a small village, nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious and adventurous group of friends. Lily, Oliver, and their trusty dog, Sparky. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the outskirts of their village, they stumbled upon a mysterious forest that no one dared to enter. The children were drawn to the forest by an enchanting melody that seemed to float through the air, beckoning them to follow. Intrigued, they ventured into the heart of the woods, where the trees stood tall and ancient, their leaves whispering secrets of magic. As they delved deeper, the forest transformed before their eyes. The trees glowed with a soft, magical light, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The children soon realized that they had entered the fabled enchanted forest, a place where wonders awaited at every turn. A place where wonders awaited at every turn. Their journey led them to a clearing where a friendly group of talking animals gathered. A wise old owl named Olivera, a mischievous squirrel named Nutmeg, and a graceful deer named Seraphina greeted them. The animals explained that the enchanted forest was a realm of magic, where kindness and bravery were rewarded. Eager to explore, Lily, Oliver, and Sparky embarked on a series of magical adventures. They helped a lost fairy find her way home, befriended a gentle giant who was misunderstood by the other creatures, and even outsmarted a tricky gnome in a riddle contest. As the children embraced the magic of the enchanted forest, they discovered that the key to unlocking its wonders was a special crystal hidden deep within the heart of the woods. Guided by the wisdom of their new animal friends, the trio faced challenges and overcame obstacles, all while learning valuable lessons about courage, friendship, and the importance of believing in oneself. In the end, they reached the crystal chamber, where the magical energy of the forest emanated. With a gentle touch, the children activated the crystal, causing the entire forest to shimmer with an even brighter glow as a token of gratitude. The enchanted forest bestowed upon each of them a magical charm that would forever connect them to the wonders of the mystical realm. With their newfound treasures, Lily, Oliver, and Sparky bid farewell to their enchanted friends and returned to their village. The memories of their magical adventures in the enchanted forest remained etched in their hearts, a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary journeys begin with a curious spirit and a willingness to believe in the magic that surrounds us. And so, in the little village between the hills and streams, the tale of the enchanted forest became a beloved story, passed down through generations, inspiring children to seek magic in the ordinary and kindness in the extraordinary.